Hello, welcome back to Jodela's Kitchen, your favorite YouTube channel for food recipes. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some curry chicken, and for that I'll be using some chicken. I have washed them and take some feathers out. This is what I removed, and I will be also using 1 orange pepper, 2 onions, and then 2 zucchini. And for the spices I'll be using 1 cube Maggi chicken flavor, and some cayenne pepper, adobo seasoning, ginger, allspice, curry powder since it's a curry chicken, and also some lemon pepper. Now let's get started. So add in some curry powder, about 4 teaspoons. Some lemon pepper, 1 to 2 teaspoons. Allspice, a half to 1 teaspoon. Ginger, 1 to 2 teaspoons. You can really change the measurement if you want to. It will depend on what you like. You can style it the way you want. Adobo seasoning, 2 teaspoons. And same for the cayenne pepper. I'm also going to cut the veggies and add them to the mixture so also they can get the spices. Cut the veggies and add them into the mixture and let it sit for about 30 minutes. You can cut them however you want. But this is the size I'm going with. And for the zucchini, split it into 2. I know it's a bit crowded. Add everything into the chicken. Yes, and everything is washed prior to cutting and adding it to the chicken. And make sure your hands are clean. Now let it sit for about 30 minutes and you can start cooking the chicken and adding the vegetables 20 to 30 minutes after. And while you're waiting for the chicken to marinate, you can even start cooking the rice that will go with it. Now I've heated up the pan at a medium-high heat. I'm going to add in some grapeseed oil, about 3 tablespoons of oil. Wait for about 30 seconds and then add in the chicken. Cook for about 20 to 30 minutes and remember to flip it around after 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Then you can add in the vegetables. Also, not forgetting to mention, I've added in 2 extra teaspoons of chili powder, adobo seasoning, and also cayenne pepper. Reduce to medium heat and then let it cook for about an extra 10 minutes. Six minutes in, add in the veggies. You really don't need to wait for about 10 minutes for the chicken. I waited for about 6 to 8 minutes. Now I'm going to let the veggies cook for about 8 minutes. Cover everything. After 30 minutes of adding the water, now everything is ready. You can eat this with rice or some potatoes. It smells amazing, and you can add in some thyme leaves if you want to. I hope you're going to enjoy the recipe when you try it. Thank you for watching.